after the death of 66 children in the...
That if you are doing business with us, you better do business at the same level, meaning to protect the health of our own people.
What if I told you that thousands of Nigerians buy every year?
Oh, Jesus! He said what?
Not because medicine failed, but because the medicine was fake. According to research, as you can see on my screen, about 267,000 people buy every year across sub-Saharan Africa. Of course, Nigeria will always have the highest share. Not only that, according to another research, as you can also see on my screen, that 12,000 Nigerians annually as a result of substandard drugs. What does this tell you?
Tell me.
It simply means substandard product, fake product, or counterfeit product is a major issue that we are battling in this country. And that is why I'm here as a pharmacist to walk you through on how to first identify fake drugs, how to avoid fake drugs or substandard drugs, and how to report fake drugs or substandard drugs if you come across any. But before I will go into that, I want us to look at what substandard product is. What is the difference between a substandard product and a fake or counterfeit product? Okay?
Put your ear down. Put your ear down.
Now, a fake product or counterfeit product is deliberately manufactured or produced to deceive the population or to cause harm. Now, let me break it down. Let me use a simple example that we can all relate with to explain what I mean or what fake drugs and substandard drugs are. Using paracetamol, which we commonly know as an example. If I have a tablet and I told you this is paracetamol tablet, and after analysis, chemical analysis, and it was discovered that there is no trace of paracetamol in what I'm presenting to you to be a paracetamol. It could be starch, it could be something different from paracetamol. So long as there is no paracetamol in what I'm offering you, claiming to be a paracetamol, that is a fake paracetamol. It is a counterfeit paracetamol.
Ouch! Damn.
Now, but if I told you this is paracetamol, and after analysis, it was discovered that an impurity, let's say heavy metal or any impurity, was found alongside paracetamol, which ordinarily shouldn't be, that is a substandard paracetamol. And if I told you this paracetamol is 500 milligram, and after analysis, we discovered it is not 500 milligram, maybe 450 milligram, or let's say 700 milligram, that is a substandard paracetamol. So there is actually a difference between substandard product and a fake product, which I have explained to you just now. Okay. Now, as you can also see on my screen, NAFDAC has burnt and destroyed so many fake products, including drugs. That's to tell you that we are currently battling with fake products. And of course, I don't need to tell you the effect, the dangers in consuming fake or substandard products. So stick with me to the end of this video, because I'm going to enlighten you on how to stay safe. The market there is very porous. It's not friendly. So you should stick with me till the end of this video, and I will enlighten you on how to spot this fake product out. Now, the first thing is identification. How do we identify fake products? Honestly, it is actually not as easy as it sounds to identify fake products. But if you pay attention to what I'm about to share with you, and you take your health so seriously, you should be able to spot it out. Now, the first thing on my list is physical assessment. Now, if you go to buy a medication, assess it physically. What are you assessing? You are accessing for NAFDAC registration number. This drug I'm about to buy, this drug I'm about to consume, does it have NAFDAC registration number?
I don't know you.
Now, there is misspelling. You can use error in spelling to identify a fake drug. Now, let me show you something. Just look at the screen. Look at this children close up, McLean. Look at the original one. Look at the spelling. Look at the spelling of McLean. Look at the fake one. And if you go to NAFDAC website or if you go online, you will see that this particular one I tagged fake is actually a fake McLean. Now look at the spelling. Only the spelling alone is an indicator that this is a fake McLean. So in physical assessment, you check if the spelling is actually correct. If it is not, it is an indicator. It is pointing you out to a danger, a potential danger. Now, I mentioned NAFDAC registration number. Yes, of a truth, not all drugs with NAFDAC registration number are, original.
Oh my God.
Because these guys are also smart. They can impute or write a fake NAFDAC number. Now, look at this. This augmentin 625. NAFDAC has announced that nobody should consume this particular augmentin, the 625 milligram. Look at the properties to identify this fake augmentin. Look at the badge number. Okay, you see, if you check, I searched, and this particular augmentin also has NAFDAC registration number. So one indicator is not enough for you to conclude that this is an original drug or is a fake drug. So all of these that I will be mentioning will have to, come in place for you to say, okay, this is a fake drug or this is an original drug. Okay, so this augmentin, some persons still have it in their shelf. If you are watching this video and you are a health practitioner or you have a drug outlet, please go back to your shelf and check for this particular augmentin. You can see it on my screen. Check if you still have it on your shelf. Please withdraw it and save life today, because this augmentin 625 milligram is fake.